Hello, this is John Piper with the weekend video, and it's Saturday the 25th of September. Starting with Bitcoin as usual, we have the wave 4 low here. Pretty clear 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a pretty good 5, which I think is 1 of 5. We've now got, I think it's 2 of 5, nice A, B, C, with the small break below 40,000. A slightly truncated fifth wave wasn't as long as the wave 1, but the wave A, but not by a significant margin. It was in the same kind of ballpark. So what's happened since? Do we have a pattern now suggesting we're going to go up? So we go down to the shorter term chart. Let's expand this a little bit. And the answer is maybe, because we have a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, fairly good 3 there, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 5. It looks like an irregular ABC, A, B. Chinese FUD came out, market then fell back sharply below 40,000. Now, that fits nicely as a C wave, but are we seeing the right kind of action to confirm that we've now got a key low in? I mean, everything was fine up to here. It was just this news came out, China's banning crypto, making various things illegal, and the answer is it's a bit hazy. We've got a possible 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, I guess the 4 overlap with a 1 just, and a 5, and this is just dithering around. Also, we could count this as an A, B, C, a B, and a C. So yet again, we've got a sort of wishy-washy rally, giving us no clear signal at the moment, lacking momentum of any size. To confirm that this actually is a key low. I mean, I think that there's a good chance it is a key low, but I mean, you just need confirmation really. And I think, I still think that my target range of 90 odd thousand, as previously discussed, and there are a number of positives around, but there is obviously, the chart patterns are not ideal. It's only a short term. It's less important than all the stuff that's gone before. In the sense it is very short term. This is a news item, so you get these things happen. They can upset the Elliott wave pattern, but the Elliott wave pattern is fairly robust. But we do need to see something a bit more than we're seeing at the moment on this. But it's, I say there is a possible 5 there, but it's not stuff of legend. I mean, even if this is a 5, we may still have an A, a B, and a C to come in. So it's quite possible we will see lower prices. Even if we do see a sustained rally going forwards from here. Ethereum the same. Looks like the 5 came in here. In fact, 3 here, 4 there, and it's like, well, an A in this case. There's no. We've got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it had an irregular correction on Bitcoin. So we haven't got an A here as such. So I guess you could have that as an A, B, C, A wave, B wave, C wave. I guess it's possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, bit of overlap. 5 perhaps. So the same pattern really. So there is a case. This is the wave 2 low. Having seen wave 1 up to here, the wave 2 low, and then a 5 of sorts, and now we're going to basically maybe one more decline down to there, then off we go. So it's the same basic pattern on Ethereum as I discussed on Bitcoin. Right, gold saw the 5 waves up, but I thought it was an ABC. Another 5 waves up, not perfect, but it's now made new lows. So this must be still part of the correction. So again, we need to wait for some new action. Let's give this 5. It doesn't have any meaning anymore. So maybe the C's down to here, but a bit messy now. Alternatively, the A could be down to here, I guess. That could be an A. This could be a B. That would suggest quite a big decline now. We'll see anyway. But at the moment, we need to have this resolved. We need to see some kind of a thrust to confirm the low's actually in. Maybe in, but I don't know. It's now a messy count. I mean, it could be a flat correction, so A, B, C. This doesn't look over yet, so I think we've probably got a bit more downside to come. Clearly the key level here is the low down here, around 1680. Any break below that would totally obviously negate this 5-wave advance on gold. So at least there's now some harmony between the gold position and the silver position. Silver's also taking out these lows here, different lows of course, but if silver were to make a decent rally now, as would gold, then that would at least give some harmony to the two markets. But right now we're just probing these the support level at around 22.30. A couple of spikes, so it's looking promising, but nothing conclusive just yet on silver. Alright, FTSE seen as ABC, we discussed that last week. We've now got a 1, 2, 3. It could be an ABC, of course, but it's been quite sharp, so maybe we're going to see a 5th wave up here, which would be encouraging for the markets. As I've been saying, I've been expecting major peaks, but no sign of those really at the moment, at least not on FTSE. Having said that, if we fail on Monday and go down, it was just we're going to take out this low, and that's a very different kettle of fish. But this has been quite a spirited rally. It looks impulsive. It doesn't look corrective at the moment. So at the moment the trend's clearly up. But if we do head down instead, then maybe my previous scenario will hold forth. Same scenario on the DAX, ABC decline, but a very impulsive looking rally suggesting we're going to go higher. So just exactly the same pattern as I discussed on FTSE. Also on the Dow, ABC, and this pretty spirited rally suggesting we're going to see maybe a 5, and this is just another temporary low on the way to new highs. The Nasdaq slightly different. As I said on Thursday, we have got. The Nasdaq's been leading the way really all the way. It's shown good relative strength, but this is not the rally here is not as solid. Nevertheless, still got a 1, 2, 3, 4, possible 5 coming in. So could easily just give that buy signal, the 5th wave or Elliott term. This is also an ABC, A, B, C. So I'd say the same on Nasdaq at the moment. That's the preferred wave count right now. That's all for today. I hope you found it interesting and useful. Back to the report on Tuesday for subscribers. Have a great weekend. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.